Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Engineer Singh. Today's tutorial I will show you how you can perform matrix addition in your scientific calculator. Just follow the simple steps. I'm using Casio FX991EX calculator. So without wasting any further time, let's start our video. So let's start. So the first thing we need to do is we need to activate the matrix calculate mode. So for that you need to go to menu, scroll to the matrix mode. You can see this is the matrix mode. You can either press equal or the number, that is 4. Just press it and your mode will be activated. Now you need to define your matrix. Let's go with the first matrix. Yeah, we have 3 rows for the first matrix and 3 columns for the first matrix. So it's 3 by 3 matrix. Press 3 and again 3. Now we need to define the matrix. Just press the number and press equal. The number will be assigned to its location. Similarly, repeat the process for all the elements in the matrix. That's how we can assign the values to the matrix at its location. Next is 9 and press equal, then 8. Similarly, we can proceed with all the other elements. 10, 14, then press equal, the number will be assigned, then 12, equal. That's how you define your first matrix. Now you need to define the second matrix. For it, go again to option, or you can go to the menu and go to matrix mode, it is 4 or equal, and then define matrix B. Number 2, press 2. Similarly, we have 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows, 3 columns. Similarly, define the other matrix too. The first element we have 7, then 4, then 9, then 2, then 1, then again 2, then 3. At the same time, you can define up to 4 number of matrices in this calculator. And we are done with assigning the matrix. Now we need to go for operations, that is addition. Then you need to go to option. You can see as number 3 option is matrix calculation. Press number 3. There it is. Now go again to options. We can go to options and we'll get all the matrix we have defined, that is A and B. Go to 3 and your matrix A will be displayed on the screen. Now we need to perform addition. So plus, go again to options. Now we need matrix B, that is 4. Now press solve or equal and you will get the added matrix. That's how we perform the addition of matrix in a scientific calculator. I hope the video was helpful for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. For any questions and queries, you can comment down below. Do subscribe our channel and yeah, don't forget to turn on the notification. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.